Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to include important desktop icons or features such as the control panel, this PC, the recycle bin, and you have the network icon. Like you can find here, we have shortcuts. Just don't use these shortcuts, just simply delete these shortcuts. To do that, or just simply right click and select personalize. Okay, at this interface just simply select on themes and select desktop icons. Okay, you find a dialog as this appear. Just simply tick this desktop icons: computer, recycle bin, control panel, user files, network. Once you have done that, just simply click on apply and click on OK. Let's just find out. Okay, you can find the network icon, this PC, you can find this other icon, the user files. You can find the control panel, and you can find the recycle bin. Where is the recycle bin? The recycle, and you can find the recycle bin being displayed in our desktop without using shortcuts. Many people, some use but shortcuts to represent this without knowing the actual way in order to include these desktop icons. But I believe that in this video you have now known how to include these features, especially after installing a new operating system in your personal computer. You realize that most of these features will be absent and you need to insert or include them in your desktop icon. Rather than using the shortcuts, just simply follow the processes. Just right click on personalize, and click on themes, select desktop icons, and you'll be able to tick all the desktop icons that you want to include in your desktop. So I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you. If that be the case, please subscribe to my channel in order to promote this channel and to get notified anytime I upload a video on YouTube. Thanks and